Good morning, students.
Good morning, sir.
How are you?
I am fine, thank you. And you?
Fine, thank you. ଆଜି ଆମେ ଇରେଜର ଇଫ୍ କ୍ଲାସ୍ ବିଷୟରେ ବୁଝିବା. We will discuss about if clause in English. So in if clause there are two clauses. One is if clause in a clause. Here is a sentence mark, then we will discuss. If you had asked me, what did I say? If you had asked me, I would have come, right? In this sentence, there are two sentences, two clauses. One is if clause, that is if you had asked me. Another is main clause, that is I would have come. So ଇଂରେଜୀରେ if clause କରିବାକୁ ହେଲେ ଇଂରେଜୀରେ there are four types of if clause used in English. Type 0, type 1, type 2, type 3. Today we will discuss about if clause type 3. In type 3 ବା ତୃତୀୟ ପ୍ରକାର if clause କରିଲା ବେଳେ ଦୁଇଟି ଜିନିଷ ପ୍ରତି ଆମେ ପ୍ରଥମେ ଧ୍ୟାନ ଦେବା ଦରକାର. ଯଦି if clause ହଉ ଅର୍ ମେନ୍ କ୍ଲାସ୍ ହଉ, ଦୁଇଟି ଯାକ ବାକ୍ୟ ଭିତରେ ଯଦି ନାଟ ଥାଏ ଆମେ ନାଟ ଉଠେଇଦେବା. if not is there we will remove the not, remove not the not. ଯଦି ନାଟ ନାହିଁ, if there is no not, we will use or insert the not. ତାମାନେ କହିବାର ଅର୍ଥ ହେଲା if clause ହଉ କିମ୍ବା main clause ହଉ, ଯଦି not ଅଛି not ଉଠେଇବା, not ନାହିଁ not ଲଗେଇବା. First rule. Second rule is that ଦୁଇଟି ଯାକ ବାକ୍ୟର verb ଆଗରେ, ମାନେ ଦୁଇଟି ଯାକ ବାକ୍ୟର ଭେର୍ବକୁ ତାର ପିପି ଫର୍ମ ବା ଥାର୍ଡ ଫର୍ମ ବା ଇଏନ୍ ଫର୍ମ କରିବା. I mean the verb in the two sentences will become its third form, that is pp form, that is en form. If clause रे we will use had, main clause रे we will use would have or could have before the verb. ମନେ ରହିଲା ଦୁଇଟି rule. First rule is to use not if not is there, remove not if not is there. We will use not if not is there. We will use not if not is there. Second, we will make the verb in if clause and verb in main clause its a third form or pp or en form. In if clause we will use had, and in the main clause we will use would have. Okay, understand? Now move, let's do some examples. Here the first sentence is they did not start early, they missed their train. ଆମେ ଏଠି ଦେଖିବାକୁ ପଡ଼ିବ କେଉଁଟା କଣ୍ଡିସନ୍. ଇଫ୍ କ୍ଲାଜ୍ରେ ଗୋଟେ କଣ୍ଡିସନ୍ ଥାଏ, ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ କନସିକ୍ୱେଣ୍ଟ ଥାଏ. ସର୍ତ୍ତ ଗୋଟେ ଥାଏ. କଣ୍ଡିସନ୍ ମିନ୍ସ ସର୍ତ୍ତ. ଇଫ୍ କ୍ଲାଜ୍ ଇଜ୍ କଲ୍ଡ ସର୍ତ୍ତମୂଳକ ବାକ୍ୟ. ସେ ବାକ୍ୟରେ ଗୋଟେ ସର୍ତ୍ତ ଥାଏ, ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ କନସିକ୍ୱେଣ୍ଟ ପରିଣାମ ଥାଏ. ଏ ଜାଗାରେ ଏମିତି କଲେ ସେମିତି ହେବ, ଏମିତି କଲେ କଣ୍ଡିସନ୍, ସେମିତି ହେବ କନସିକ୍ୱେଣ୍ଟ ପରିଣାମ. ସୋ ଏ ଜାଗାରେ ଦେଖିବା ଦେ ଡିଡ୍ ନଟ୍ ଷ୍ଟାର୍ଟ ଏର୍ଲି, ଦେ ମିସ୍ଡ ଦେयर ଟ୍ରେନ୍. ପରିଣାମଟା କ'ଣ ହେଲା? ହ୍ୱାଟ୍ ଇଜ୍ ଦି କନସିକ୍ୱେଣ୍ଟ? ପରିଣାମ କ'ଣ ହେଲା? ଟ୍ରେନ୍ ମିସ୍ କରିଗଲେ. ସର୍ତ୍ତଟା କେଉଁ ବାକ୍ୟଟା ହେଲା? ଦେ ଡିଡ୍ ନଟ୍. ଏଣୁକରି ଆମେ ଇଫ୍ କୋଉଠି ଲଗେଇବା? ସର୍ତ୍ତମୂଳକ ବାକ୍ୟରେ. First we will use here if they. What did I say? We will use if. Okay. What did I say?
If they.
Capital letter I. If. Right? They. Small letter. If they did not touch,
Not to
we will remove it. What did I say? We will
remove it.
ताकू काढ़ी देवा. राइट. डिड अच्छी नट लगे साहाय्यकारी क्रिया मिल नथिबा जोगु डिडीटा को मेन भाइबर धार आनी जेहेतु नट उठीगला सी पुणी जीव मेन भाइबर मिसीजीव तापर कही मेन भाइबरटा थर्ड फॉर्म हम स्टार्टेड थर्ड फॉर्म इज स्टार्टेड सो द verb will become started आउ मु कौन कही ता पूर्व आम कौन लगेबा हेड लगेबा ओके डिडी रिमूव करदेबा वी विल रिमूव डिडी ओके इट बिकेम इफ क्लास दिस इज इफ क्लास नाउ लेट्स मूव टू द मेन क्लास रे कौन कही तार वर्ब थर्ड फॉर्म हम हियर वर्ब इज मिस्ड इट्स ऑलरेडी इन थर्ड फॉर्म नेक्स्ट वी विल यूज वुड हैव ये नॉट अच्छी कि नहीं देखती नॉट नहीं वी विल यूज नॉट सो वुड नॉट हैव दे वुड नॉट हैव मिस्ड स्मॉल लेटर टी स्मॉल लेटर हो कुड अंडरस्टैंड नेक्स्ट फुल स्टॉप उठी जीव फुल स्टॉप उठी जीव देन टी स्मॉल लेटर एंड द सेंटेंस comma will be used after if clause comma shall be used okay now the sentence is if they had started early they would have not missed the train now let's move to the second sentence द्वितीय वाक्य रे भी लक्ष्य करो नॉट अच्छी we will remove it okay removed fall the verb is fall fell fallen we will make it fallen en then we will use what head okay head then we will remove did okay done he had fallen next if he had fallen that is if he small letter has small letter if he had fallen into the river remove full stop use comma small letter h he not is there we will remove it okay yes removed verb is was रो थर्ड फॉर्म होची कौन was रो en फॉर्म कौन was रो फादर होची बी रो रूप गुड़ाक इज एम आर was वेर बीइंग बीन तो बी रो जेहेतु वाज हूँ बी रु आसी ये कौन हम वाजटा बीन हो ओके तो फास्ट यूज हेड देन वाज विल बिकम बीन राइट ओके इफ ही हैड फैलन इनटू द रिवर ही हैड बीन ड्रोन्ड नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस इज हियर The sun was in the right direction. The photographs came out very well. को ए दीटा वाक्य कोटा परिणाम कोटा कंडीशन कुआ शेषर कौन है कोड़ा कंडीशन हम कौन हेबारु कौन हैला
The sun was in
सेटा कौन सन वाज इन डायरेक्शन टा कौन हम
if class
इफ क्लास सेट शर्तटा
ସପ୍ତମୂଳକ
परिणामटा कौन भल फल फल भल फोटोग्राफ आसला
ହଁ
एणुक प्रथमटा को आम कौन करिया इफ लगेदेवा इफ लगे ता भैरवटा किए अच्छी ये भैरव किए दी सन वाज भैरव वाजटा भैरव
वाच
वाजटा भैरव बोले तार थर्ड फॉर्म कौन हेली कही बीन इे कौन लगे हेड
हेड
नट अच्छी ना देखती
ନାହିଁ
nine.
तेरे नट लगे हेड नट बीन हो रईट इे इफ लगे इफ ओके इफ दिस ऑन टी कैपिटल लेटर टा स्मॉल लेटर हो ठीक अच्छे ना इफ दि सन हेड हेड लगेबा नियम अनुसार हेड नट नाई नट लगेबा हेड नट
बीन
वाज थर्ड फॉर्म कौन हो
बीन
बीन बीन ओके इफ दि सन हेड नॉट बीन इन दि राइट डायरेक्शन फुल स्टॉप रिमूव हम कमा लगी कमा देन टी स्मॉल लेटर हम नेक्स्ट ये भार्ब किए अच्छे फोटोग्राफ्स केम इज दि भार्ब काम केम काम राइट ये लगे कौन वुड हैव नॉट अच्छी कि
ନାହିଁ
तो नॉट लगेबा वुड नॉट हैव कम वुड नॉट हैव कम come out very well okay if the sun had not been in the right direction the photographs would not have come out this come right come out very well next sentence I saw you I invited you to my party that which is इफ क्लास एंड व्हिच इज मेन क्लास करवा कोडा प्रथम कोडा कंडीशन कोडा
I saw you
देखिली ये कंडीशन हेबार तो मुझे डाकिली परिणामटा मन रखुव परिणाम वाक्य के इफ लगेनि
ସପ୍ତମୂଳକ
सतमूल हेले आई सायु ये प्रथम वाक्यर भर्ब हूँ किए सा
ସା
सी सा सीन नाट नाई नाट लगेबा हेड लगेबा इफ लगेबा इफ आई हेड नॉट सीन सा विल बिकम
Remove.
seen okay if I had not seen you we will remove what full stop in place of it we will use comma I similarly हम देखिए invited अच्छी invited third form is also same not नाई not लगेबा would have लगेबा so would not have been that sentence will be would not have no you would not have invited you to my party the sentence is if I had not seen you I would not have invited you to my party or you can say would or could you can use would or could right next word next sentence is Lima own a lottery she bought a good house कोटा परिणाम कोटा शर्त कोटा which is condition which is consequent
ସପ୍ତମୂଳକ ଲିମା ଓନ୍ ଏ ଲଟେରୀ
ना शर्तमूलक yes नहले से किनी पाई नथांदा so we will make it what if clause verb is own
ओन
win own third form is own there is not nai not लगेबा head लगेबा if lima if lilima that is lilima if lilima okay if Lilima
Head not.
Head not.
had not, if Lilima had not own a lottery, आकु रिमूव करदेबा फुल स्टॉप टाको राइट
Yes.
ता बदले कौन लगे कॉमा सी डर एस स्मॉल लेटर सी नॉट नाई
Not possible.
बसिबो.
एटे कुडू लगे कुडू सी ओ यू एल डी कुडू नॉट राइट हैव एच ए वी हैव बॉट बाय बॉट दी सेम थिंग so sentence became if Lima had not owned a lottery she could not have bought a good house. Next sentence is the mangoes were not ripe they did not sell at a good price. ଏଇରେ ଦେଖ ସର୍ତ୍ତମୂଳକ ବାକ୍ୟ କୋଉଟା ହେବ ପରିଣାମ ସୂଚକ ବାକ୍ୟ କୋଉଟା ହେବ
The mangoes were not
ରାଇଟ୍ ହଁ ମୁଁ କାହିଁକି ବାରମ୍ବାର ପଚାରୁଛି ଯେ କେବେ କେମିତି ପରିଣାମ ସୂଚକ ପୁରା କନସିକ୍ୱେଣ୍ଟଟାକୁ ଆଗ ଦେଇଥିବ ସର୍ତ୍ତମୂଳକ ବାକ୍ୟଟାକୁ ପଛେ ଦେଇଥିବ ସେ ତମେ ଯଦି ସେତିକି ନ ଜାଣିଥିବ ଭାବିବ ଯେ ଇଫ୍ଟା ପ୍ରଥମେ ଲଗେଇ ଦେଇ ଯେହେତୁ ସାର୍ ଲଗାଉଥିଲେ नो ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ଇଜ୍ ନଟ୍ ରାଇଟ୍ ମନେ ରହିଲା ବାକ୍ୟଟାକୁ ଦେଖି ଭାବିବ କେଉଁଟା କଲେ କେଉଁଟା ହେଉଛି ପରିଣାମଟା ଜାଣିଦେଲା ମାନେ ଇଫ୍ଟା କେଉଁଟା ଲଗିବ ୟୁ କ୍ୟାନ୍ ଅଣ୍ଡରଷ୍ଟାଣ୍ଡ ଇଟ୍ ଇଜିଲି ସୋ ଦି ମ୍ୟାଙ୍ଗୋସ୍ ୱେର୍ ରାଇପ୍ ଦିସ୍ ଇଜ୍ ଇଫ୍ କ୍ଲାସ୍ ଏ condition and they did not sell at a good price this is the consequent so first we will use if okay done t टाउ कौन कर देबा पहले कहते स्मॉल लेटर कर देबा ओके if the mangoes not अच्छी कि नहीं देखती
हाँ
हाँ
अच्छी
अच्छी.
अच्छी तेबे लगेआनी के उठे देबा
उठेइबा.
उठे देली नॉट टाउ कौन कर देली
उठेଇବା
या रिमूव्ड तापर हेड लगेबा
हाँ
बेर पूर्व हेडटा लगेदेवी
हाँ.
हेडटा को लगेदेली ता पाखरे कौन वेयर रहिबो कि हेड पाखरे केबे वेयर रहउची कि
हाँ
से वेयर थर्ड फॉर्म
बीन.
बीन तुम जान देलनी
हाँ
इज एम आर वाज वेयर थर्ड फॉर्म होची बीन
बीन.
आईएनजी फॉर्म होची बीइंग एथर तुम जान देलनी गुड बॉय सो वी विल रिमूव वेयर इन प्लेस ऑफ इट वी विल यूज बीन ओके डन राइप नेक्स्ट वी विल रिमूव व्हाट फुल स्टॉप
Stop. And use comma.
राइट थैंक यू दापटा कौन करिया कौन टी टाକୁ ତ ସ୍ମଲ୍ କରିଦେବା ନା ହେଲା ନଟ୍ ଅଛି ନଟ୍ ରିମୁଭ୍ କରିବା ଯେଉଁଠି ନଟ୍ ରିମୁଭ୍ କରିବ ସାଧାରଣତଃ ଡିଜିଟାଲ ରିମୁଭ୍ କରିଦେଉଥ ଏଇଠି ଦେ ଉଡ୍ ନଟ୍ ସେଲ୍ ଉଡ୍ ନଟ୍ ଲେଖିବା ଓ ୟୁ ଏଲ୍ ଡି ଉଡ୍
not have
ନଟ୍ ଥିଲା ପରା
नहीं नहीं हाँ उठी
not
है
if the mangoes had been ripe they would have
sell
sell sold
Third form.
yeah third sold sold right at a good price okay done if the mangoes had been ripe they would have sold should have been or so would have sold at a good price okay where thila ki sentence re
if
नहीं where थिला.
thila ki
हाँ.
they would have sold at a good price नथिला बोधे जदि थिला that it will become been right Subra did not spend much she had a lot of bank balance कोटा हला condition कोटा
Subra did not
खर्च कलानी भल पैसा रखिला so we will use here if Subra did not will remove right
Yes.
had spent so it will become a spent remove d just use t much remove full stop
Full stop. Use comma.
use comma right comma
C small
c
letter.
small letter s small letter yes c small letter s small letter same thing she had a lot of what will happen not nine
not possible
बसिबो.
बसिब would have লাগিব right? Would not
Not.
have a lot of bank balance. If Subra spent much, she would not have a lot of bank balance. Next, what is the farmer worked hard? He reaped a rich harvest. Not a nine.
Not possible.
Not
Basiva, head basiva. Worked. So if lage deba. If T कौन हबा
Small.
small.
the farmer head ଲାଗିବ not ଲାଗିବ
Had not.
head not worked hard କମ୍ ଉଠିଯିବ
Full stop ଉଠିଯିବ.
full stop ଉଠିଯିବ right
Comma possible.
Comma ବସିବ.
right very good
He small.
he
Small ହବ.
H small.
he not ନାହିଁ not use
ବସିବ।
କରିବା
ବସିବ.
he would not have he
Would not have.
would not have reaped a good harvest. If the farmer had not worked hard, he could not have. We can use would not have or could not have. We will use here could not. Okay.
Okay.
Removed could not have reaped a good harvest. Now, point 2. If our voice, if clause is given, आम सेकेंड भर्व देछि विन ताकू कौन अच्छी तार नट अच्छी कि
Not.
नाही आम नट लगे वुड नट हैव हो सो इफ आवर बॉयज हैड प्लेड वेल आवर टीम वुड इफ आवर बॉयज हैड प्लेड वेल आमर जदि पिला माने भल खेली थांते जीति थांते ये नाट लगे दरकार नहीं आवर टीम वुड
Have.
हैव ओन
Die. Easily.
ओन विन ओन
हाँ.
WON own easily. Next sentence. If Manisha not got is given had not got
Had not got.
had sorry had
Not.
not get got. Now let's remove.
Not get.
Yeah. Right? The scholarships she would do, she might have missed the chance of her studies abroad. India would not have achieved her freedom if the Indians had not fought. Had not fought. If Indians
Had not fought.
had not ସେଇଟା ଦେଇଦେଇଛି ଦେଖୁଛ ଏ ବାକ୍ୟରେ କ'ଣ କରିଛି କନସିକ୍ୱେଣ୍ଟ ଆଗ ରଖିଦେଇଛି ଇଫ୍ କ୍ଲାସ୍ରେ ପଛେ ରଖିଦେଇଛି ତ ଇଫ୍ କାନି ହେଡ଼ ଲାଗିଯିବ ଜାଣିଛ नो डाउट हेड
Not.
नॉट NOT नॉट फट
Fought.
FOUGHT फट रिमूव करदबा
Not.
अननेसेसरी जिनस गुड़ाक राइट करदेली
Okay.
ହେଇଗଲା ବାକ୍ୟଟା କ'ଣ ହେବ ଇଣ୍ଡିଆ would not have achieved her freedom if the Indians had not fought for it. Crops would have been better if କ୍ଲାସ୍ରେ ଆଗ ଦେଇଛି ଏଣୁକରି ହେଡ଼ ଲାଗିଯିବ crops would have been better if it had rained if it had RAINED rained. Okay, now let's remove what
Rain.
rain and bracket. Right.
Okay.
Next the government days ଏଇଠି ମଧ୍ୟ କ'ଣ ହେଇଛି କନସିକ୍ୱେଣ୍ଟକୁ ଆଗେ ରଖିଛି ଇଫ୍ କ୍ଲାସ୍ ପଛରେ ରଖିଛି
ରଖିଛି।
ଦି ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ ଡେଜ୍ ଭେରି ଅନପପୁଲାର ବିର କ'ଣ ହେବ ଥାର୍ଡ଼ ଫର୍ମଟା ବିନ୍
Had been.
Had
ଏଠି
been.
ଦି ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ ଉଡ୍ ହେବେ ବିନ୍
Would have been.
ହେଲା ଇଫ୍ ଦେ ହେଡ୍ ନଟ୍ ରେଜ୍ ଟ୍ୟାକ୍ସେସ୍ ଉଡ୍ ନଟ୍ ହେବେ ବିନ୍ ଉଡ୍ ନଟ୍
Have been.
ୟା ଉଡ୍ not
Have
have
been.
been. Okay, been. Now let's remove
Not.
Not
what
be and bracket.
very unpopular if they had not raised taxes. Similarly, if clause right ଦେଇଛି, if clause ରେ କ'ଣ ଲଗାଯାଏ? had.
Head.
If you had took taken, right? If
Head.
had
Taken.
taken, yes, remove कौन remove कर देवी?
Take.
Take and bracket.
Yeah, taken my advice, you would not have
Troubles.
got into trouble. The glass not brick, if class ପଛ ଅଛି ଏଣୁକରି ଏଇଟା କ'ଣ ହେବ? would have not broken, brick broken.
Broken.
The glass would
Have.
not
Have broken.
have
Broken.
broken. तापर रिमूव कर दे कौनटा को
Not
Not
break.
break.
verb तैयार कर देले आटा रिमूव कर देले सरला. if she had not dropped it, so finish. if clause कले आज we learnt how to make if clause. while doing if clause we use had in if clause conditional sentence and use would have or could have in a consequent sentence.
Sentence.
If we use if not is there and we remove if not is,
Use.
what did I say? We use not if not is not there. Could understand? If we remove not if not is there. Could understand? Not thile we remove it, not nathile we use it. These are the two main rules. And always the verb in if clause and also in consequent clause is in its third form or PP mode or EN form. Okay? Could understand? Thank you. Bye.
It's
It's okay.